Everybody know that on 18th September, we Himalaya faced the bad earthquake. After earthquake, we really raise a fund to make three houses for the poor people who lives in a far village. On 6th June, New Future Nepal UK trustee visited Kalimpong to see the new house which we built.
We are going to see the house which we are building for the earthquake victim. So Mr. Andrew Small is with me. And we are going right now. We are in halfway. After 1 hour, we reach the place where we are going. So if you have something to say.
Yes, I'm very excited to be going to see the village where we've been building the house, and I'm looking forward very much to meeting the 92-year-old lady that we've helped through the earthquake. So it's a pleasure and I'm meeting Kiran for the first time as well. So the partnership between us is working very well so far. So very looking forward to it very much.
I'm very excited. So I know it's not easy and to build a house. There's so many people really sacrifice their precious thing, but we're able to give to someone who is special. She's needy and old, and we are very happy to see the big smile on her face.
To reach that village, roads are not that easy. We have to take the taxis to reach over here. Sometimes we have to walk by feet to reach to see the new house where we built. And you will see the old lady and the family, and the same times the neighbor welcoming us to do the opening ceremony for the new house which we built.
It gives me great pleasure on behalf of New Futures Nepal in the UK and the Hope Family Trust in Kalimpong to have provided funds to be able to rebuild a house for this lovely lady and her family. So it's a very proud moment, and I'm very pleased to be here to be able to open it. And thank you to everybody for making me so welcome. Thank you. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Hey! It gives me great pleasure to be able to come from England to your village to see the beautiful house that you've built for Manamaya. So it was a great shock to us that there were people here so badly affected by the earthquake. And thanks to Kiran Chettri and Hope Family Trust, he helped us understand the need that you had, and we were very, very pleased to be able to help with some of the issues that you have in the village. So I'm very happy, I'm very grateful to you all. You've made me very welcome, and I hope to come back and see you again soon. Thank you.
Old lady even survived. So now he have a house to stay. I'm very happy. And like on the behalf of like all the villagers, he was requesting. In the village there is like do you know like the person who don't have some are like deaf people are there, and like people they don't have proper toilet and bathroom. So I don't know, like your organization can help us to some way. So we'll be very grateful. He was telling even on the from the road came down. So even make like small pathway for us to walk. How much it's possible, so we'll be very grateful. He was just telling, he was just requesting, and like he was telling on the behalf of all the villagers, we are very happy to see that the oldest lady of our community have a house. So we are very happy, sister. Good.
If I tell them we're at 30,000 feet, they'll believe me. We are at 30,000 feet and the air is very thin. I am exhausted and it's very hot and humid and I'm totally not fit, but it was all worth it. So the families down there made us very welcome, and all this hard work and the beating heart is all really good. So it was good, thank you.
Andrew did a very good job. He able to walk down and he able to come up. Now
we are not working so much. I think after 10 minutes we are reaching up to the taxi. So then again we are going to by taxi to another village to see the true construction is going over there. After that, we started our journey to another village where we are building the two new house. The two family and the village, they were waiting to Mr. Andrew Small to see the new house, how they are building. The work is going a little bit slow due to the labor crisis. Two labor building two house, but they are doing pretty good. So you can see the family, they are waiting to welcome us. At the same time, we are able to give the blanket food supply to the people.
See all the houses being built. So it's lovely to see that out of the earthquake and the bad thing that happened, that new life is coming in the houses and the families are being looked after again. So I'm very happy, and thank you for inviting me to come from England here to see the work that you're doing. It makes me very happy to see you all. So thank you very much.
They were waiting us to welcome. We believe little our effort can change their life. We're able to give something to them, so we want to give some joy and peace in their heart with our little gift. After that, we came back to Kalimpong the same day. Our media partner Manoj Rai was there to help us to take all the video. So we want to give thanks to him, as well as we want to give thanks to the trustee of New Futures Nepal UK charity, the people who support in this project to make a new house. Thank you to everyone to be part of this.